This is Colin O'Keefe checking in again with LXBN TV's ongoing coverage of the 2014 Legal Marketing Technology Conference West coming up October 15th and 16th in San Francisco. As part of that, I'm speaking now with Brian Colucci. He is Chief Business Development and Marketing Officer at Kilpatrick Townsend, and he is speaking in the morning in a Track 2 session titled Social Media and Online Advertising, Balancing Ethical Rules and Business Imperatives. Brian, let's look into the future on social media and ethical concerns. What are some ethical concerns that you think might arise in the future, or are there any on the other side of a coin where are there any ethical concerns that might eventually go away?
Well, I don't know if ethical concerns will ever really go away, or if they do, there will probably be some new ones that pop up in their place. A couple of things that we're going to look at in the panel would be the kind of, for lack of a better term, the buying or the procurement of legal services via the web, not so much social media, but online referrals, online communities where you consumer might be induced to make a buying decision based on something that they've seen online. One of the issues there might be, for example, if someone comes to a forum with a legal problem and a lawyer reaches out to them, when does that attorney-client relationship begin? And once they give you a certain amount of information, what is the lawyer's obligation? Are they potentially conflicted out if it turns out that the person contacting them really is someone that they can't represent? So that's a problem. As legal services are kind of more and more part of the internet marketplace, we could certainly see that becoming an issue. Another one that we're going to take a look at, and this is one that probably most of our audience will be familiar with, pretty specific to LinkedIn, would be the issue of endorsements and recommendations that are given via LinkedIn, and whether that constitutes, under some bar rules, whether that constitutes a client testimonial, which a lot of state bars frown on. So those are just some of the things we'll be looking at, and we're also going to look to the audience to really tell us about some of the ethical issues that they're facing.
I see. Well, I look forward to it. LinkedIn endorsements, of course, are a very sensitive subject nowadays, so I look forward to seeing the conversation on that. Once again, that was Brian Colucci of Kilpatrick Townsend. For more of his insight, you can sign up to see him in person at lmatechconference.com, and for more of these video interviews, be sure to visit us at lxbn.com/lmatech14. Thank you for joining me today, Brian.
Thank you.